Imagine this. In just 6 to 12 months, you look in the mirror and you don't even recognize the person staring back. Not because you've changed your face, but because you've completely reinvented your life. Sounds impossible. It's not. And it doesn't take years to do it. All it takes is alignment. Today, I'm going to share a powerful 6-phase system that will make you unrecognizable by this time next year. First, let's get brutally honest. Your current reality, your identity, it's all built on a foundation of old habits, routines, and comfort zones you refuse to leave. The life you want requires a new you, and that new you's waiting to be built. But before you can build, you have to tear down the old structure. This brings us to phase 1, identity collapse. This is where you shine a bright, uncomfortable light on everything that's holding you back. It's about becoming painfully aware of the limiting beliefs, the self-sabotaging behaviors, and the stories you tell yourself about why you can't have what you want. You have to see the cage before you can break out of it. This isn't about self-criticism. It's about self-awareness. It's the moment you say, enough. The old me is not getting me where I need to go. Once you've seen the cracks in your old identity, you enter phase 2, the sculptor stage. Think of yourself as a block of marble. The masterpiece, your future self, is already inside. Your job is to chip away everything that isn't part of that masterpiece. This means ruthlessly eliminating distractions. The mindless scrolling, the toxic relationships, the commitments that drain your energy but give nothing back. You simplify your life to make space for what truly matters. You start building structure, creating a clean slate where your new identity can take form. Now that you have a clear space, it's time for phase 3, discipline engineering. Let's be real, motivation is a fickle friend. It comes and goes. Relying on it is like trying to build a house on quicksand. Discipline, however, is a system. It's about taking action whether you feel like it or not. This is where you build the non-negotiable habits that will become the bedrock of your new life. You engineer your environment to make the right choices easy and the wrong choices hard. You're not forcing yourself. You're designing a life where progress is the default setting. With your actions in line, we move to the most crucial internal work in phase 4, belief rewiring. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. If you believe you're unworthy of success, no amount of hard work will convince you otherwise. Here, you actively challenge your old, limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. You become the narrator of your own story, consciously writing a new script. You start telling yourself that you are capable, you are deserving, and you are becoming the person you want to be. This isn't just positive thinking. It's a strategic reprogramming of your mind. As your habits and your mindset start to align, something magical happens. You enter phase 5, the flow state. This is where the struggle disappears. The habits you built are now second nature. The beliefs you rewired are now your truth. Progress is no longer a grind. It feels effortless, natural. You're not pushing a boulder uphill anymore. You're riding a wave. You're so immersed in the process of becoming that you lose track of time. This is where transformation accelerates exponentially. Finally, you reach phase 6, identity transfer. This is the ultimate step. You stop trying to be your future self, and you simply asterisk your future self. You make decisions from that perspective. You walk, talk, and act as if your goals are already achieved. You embody the energy of the person who has everything you desire. And when you do this, your external reality has no choice but to catch up. The opportunities, the people, the results, they all start to mirror the new identity you've claimed. Reinvention isn't about time. It's about alignment. You don't need another 5 years. You need 6 months of focused, intentional alignment across these 6 phases. Start today. Confront your old identity, sculpt away the excess, build discipline, rewire your beliefs, find your flow, and step into the person you are destined to become. Your future self is waiting. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of transformation. See you in the next video.